This 65-inch TV from Hisense is our latest addition to our bonus room's gaming setup. Now, it's not our primary gaming space, that's the basement, but we have been spending a lot of time gaming here as the basement setup is still under renovation. It's been a great upgrade to this room as we started out with a more simple and smaller TV until Hisense reached out to us and asked if we wanted to check out their new TV, the U6SF Pro Mini LED ULED 4K TV, also known as the U6SF Pro. Thanks so much to Hisense for sponsoring today's video, though please know that all opinions in this review are our own. If you're new here or missed our last few videos, here's some quick context while Cam unboxes and installs our new TV. Cam and I, Petra, bought a house about 3 years ago where we built our dream setups throughout: an office, home theater, dual gaming setup, and arcade-style basement. We recently sold that house and moved into a bigger one in order to create even better setups. Since there's a lot to move, plan, and rebuild, we're taking each room one step at a time instead of rushing our main setups. This specific room is an extension of our future gaming, arcade, and entertainment basement, and because it was more straightforward, it's already pretty much done for now. So, as I mentioned, we have been spending a lot of time here gaming, treating it as our main setup for now. Because of this, we're very excited about this new TV. The U6SF Pro is a Hi-QLED Mini-LED TV. It uses an LCD panel with mini LED backlighting, which allows for higher brightness, more precise local dimming, deeper black levels, and stronger contrast. The quantum dot or QLED layer enhances the color performance by producing a wider color range, richer tones, and better color volume at high brightness. The extra brightness is great if your room is really sunny or has a lot of other screens or lights nearby. The U6SF Pro also has Hisense's anti-reflection and glare-free coating, which uses a low reflection coating and matte layer to cut down on glare and distracting reflections. We tend to have a lot of RGB lights in our setup, plus the TV is pretty close to a window that gets a lot of sun, so this definitely helps with reducing glare. Thankfully, this TV also has some really good gaming specs, including a native 144Hz game mode with VRR, variable refresh rate, and low latency. All these features will give you a smooth gaming experience, especially when playing FPS, action, and racing games. This basically means your game will run smoothly and with less blur, which is especially noticeable in fast-paced games where you move around a lot. All this while still keeping the resolution high and the image crisp. As you can imagine, this TV works great for gaming. We also really like the 65-inch size we selected for this setup too. It gives us great immersion without feeling too big for the space. Besides gaming, the Hisense U6 Pro is also surprisingly good for watching movies. We tested a few movies on it and found that the color accuracy is one of its strong points. It looks very natural and true to life thanks to the Pantone validated certification. Accurate colors are important, and thankfully, its IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision IQ, and HDR10 Adaptive features also help improve picture accuracy, contrast, and the overall picture quality. After spending some time with it, we do believe that the U6SF Pro TV is a well-rounded TV for any setup, as it works just as well whether you're gaming, watching sports, or enjoying movies. Great picture quality isn't the only important thing in a gaming setup though. We also have to think about the sound. While we plan to use a dedicated soundbar and subwoofer here, this TV actually comes with its own built-in subwoofer for an enhanced sound experience. The deep bass will help you feel the sound more, which add on to the whole immersion of the space.
집단지성은 진화의 중요한 동력입니다. 사람과 사람, 즉 개인 간의 정보 전달도 가능할 것으로 생각됩니다.
While we still recommend getting a dedicated soundbar and sub, it's definitely a great starting place and much better than what you'd think TV speakers could sound like. Overall, we really like this TV and are happy that we got it installed in our setup. We do miss our old TVs, which are still in storage while the basement is being renovated, but this is working great for us in the meantime. We've been very happily surprised with the quality of Hisense TVs lately, especially after testing out a few of their models now, and think they're a really good option when deciding on which new TV to get. If you want to learn more about this specific model, the U6SF Pro, make sure to check the description. And thanks again to Hisense for sending this to us for review. We have truly been enjoying testing it out for the past few weeks. And thanks to you too for watching the video all the way to the end. We really hope that you liked it and got the info you were looking for, whether that's which new TV to get, or what some of these features really mean. Please leave a comment below if you have any thoughts or questions, and consider giving the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more setup content and review videos like these, and to see how our new house renovations progress. We also post daily short-form content here on YouTube, as well as on Instagram, and even on TikTok at CamXPetra. You can also head over to our website, CamXPetra.com, where we have links to products used in our setup. Until next time, bye.